Just I'm losing my mind just a little, 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 just little. Let's get it on, sing on, something so. Spirit, why you sexy in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, little, little. Just little, little, just smiles, smiles, smiles. Hi, Big Lon. Thank you so much, Big Lon. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share. Thank you. Losing my mind just a little, little, just a little. Thank you so much. You're my very welcome, lovely friend. Thank you. You just make me love. Losing my mind just a little. With that lovely smile. Thank you. Thank you, Big Line. Baby. Why you just sweet in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, little. Cheryl, how many children do you have? Benny, just one, Benny. One child. Hi, Benny. Thank you for joining. This baby. Losing my mind just a little. Just a little. Thank you, but tell me, just one. I have one child. Where is the father of the child? He live in Manila. Living in Manila. Baby, it's good to see you again. Good to see you again, Benny. Thank you, Benny. Thank you for the likes. Why just Who's from Germany? Klaus Jerks. Klaus Jerks. Thank you so much. I have a feeling you're a single mother. Benny. Why is not the living with you? We are separate in good term. Yep. You know. Why are not you with a husband and child together? Because we're not our relationship that doesn't work. That's why. So we have a different path, a different. Say hi, close your hearts, close hearts, birds. Hi, Dixon, Sarah. Hi. Who cheated? Who cheated on him or who cheated on you? He cheated on me. Many times. Not once, not two, not. I've been separated too because I cheated on my wife. Always men like that. Always men do that, cheated on their wife. But if woman cheated on their husband, oh my god. Just few women cheated on their wife, on their husband. Hi, Mustafa. Mustafa. I'm taking an interview on the AI of the internet. Really, woman cheated too hard. Yeah, woman cheated too, but I think, well, no, I think it's the decision. I think cheated is a mistake and it's a choice. Tell me all your qualities and your weakness. My weakness is always my family, and the qualities I don't know. I think the qualities. I have so many weaknesses, and so. Hello, Cheryl. The woman is not supposed to cheat on her husband. The woman. Actually, I'm not a, not. I'm not been married. I'm not yet been. Never been married. So. Hello, Cheryl. Still can sleep. I think I'm overtired now. You overtired? You need to rest. Are you removing? Removing? Hello. Hello, beautiful. Welcome, my beautiful girl. After a long time. Hi, let me see up. It's funny when people say welcome to your own channel. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. Mew Mew. Taparel. Mew Mew Taparel. Ta April Taparel. Mario Bravo. May I ask you a question? Yes. Hope Benny. Be careful. Have you ever cheated on your man? Uh Never. Have you ever cheated on your boyfriends? I have boyfriends. I have many boyfriends. No, I'm honest. When I see something on my past, I say I found someone. Yeah, I found some. I found some. If you never been married, how did you have a child? Is that a married mother kisses? If you never been married, how did you have a child? Was it like a married mother? Oh my God, Benny, have you ever cheated on me? Huh? Who are you, Del? I don't know you. Cheryl, how far away are you from Bulacan and Manila? Far. I'm far. I'm in Bicol. I'm living in Bicol. Benny, you're getting too personal. Watch. Benny, I'm living in Bicol. It's okay. It's okay, Mike. No worries. Classical getting very personal because maybe one day I want to. Oh my God, Benny! Classic. Why don't you kick me out? You're the boss. And oh my God, no, no one. You are the moderator. You can kick me. Oh my, Benny. She's not kick you. Okay, it's not. She has only a few viewers to get rid of all of them you can. Benny is not God. Just be respectful. That's all it is. Yeah. Benny, you see, she's never cheated on her man. I was just asking. How can I say gusto kita and Bicol? Same. Same. Gusto kita in Bicol. It's the same. Uh, Classic. Have I not been respectful? It's you understand. You can get one. I don't like arguing with anybody, but if you want to argue, I can't argue with you. No need to argue. Marcus. Thank you, Marcus. Do you think you're fat because you become a mother? Oh my god. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Do you think you scared me because you're a moderator? Benny Chol, Benny Chol, just relax, Benny. Calm down. Kick everybody else if you can. Calm down, Benny. No one kick you out here. How's your day? Marcus, I'm fine. The day is good. Have a good day today. Thank you, Marcus. Kumusta? Palagi akong nanonood. Huh? Thank you, Alexander. Thank you so much for joining. Edwin, are you residing in Luzon, Visayas? I'm residing in Luzon. Jonas, Nicolan. Hi. Hello. You look nice. Thank you, Marcos. Cause baby. Hi, greetings from New York. Hi, Carlos. Antolino. Hello. Hey, Golden. I guess I'm going to remove myself out of here because I already had people who I mean, Benny, just relax, Benny. Benny. Carlos. Carlos, you are beautiful. Thank you, Carlos. Have a great day. Super chat, super stickers, and memberships are available, everyone. Tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you, Big Lan. Are kids playing basketball? Yeah. Kids playing basketball outside. Okay, what is the province? Bicol province, Philippines. Cheryl, please tell him to kick me out because otherwise I'm falling in love with you and I'm taking. Just relax, Benny. No one kick you out here. Chill, just chill. Oh my God, just I'm here because of no, I want to grow here, Benny. So I don't want to spread just positive vibes here. Hope no one can argue, fighting. I don't like that. So maybe you need to be understanding. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, Marcus, for the super chat. I think she's good enough and beautiful enough for me to take here from Philippines to Canada. Benny. 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 How old are you, Benny? As up moderators came in and you didn't even hit like. You're welcome. Thank you, Marcus. Kuya Dre, sure is that the guy from today. Yeah, Kuya Dre. Yes. But I said Kuya Dre is no one else. Just calm down, just chill, relax. Beanie. Ciao, Benny. Chill. So, I'm losing my mind, just giving a like. It's the first thing I always do. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you, Big Lon. I'm losing my mind, just to lay down, be down, just to be down. Kuya Dre, thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you. Adele Johnson. Don't give those enthusiasm moderate. I have seen him time people out for saying to host is pretty. He is jealous moderator. Yeah, I'm not giving. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much, Biglan. Taking my son to school. If I see you on soon, I will be back. Thank you, Marcos, for dropping by here. Have a good day. God bless. Take care, sir, Marcos. Ruth. Good kuya. I was being nice and letting him stay, but he wouldn't calm down. Thank you guys for joining here. 14 likes. Thank you so much. 10 people here. Thank you. Cause baby, why just make me in the middle? Thank you for the likes. I'm losing my mind. That was my pleasure to time him out. Classic. Thank you, Kuya Trey. Are you have mall near in your place like SM, Ayala, Gisano, Robinson? No, I'm living in the province. Like no mall like that here. We need to going to the city to visit the mall like SM, Ayala, Gisano, something like that. We need to go to the city. Hello, hi Rick. Baby, why does it me now? I'm losing my mind, just a little, baby, why you just I'm losing my mind, slowly down, slowly down. Thank you so much, Augusto Cardina. Gandia. Alikal. Marhay na aga, everyone. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Marhay na aga. Good morning. Hello. Hi, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, James Jacob. Thank you so much for joining here. 23 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you so much. Ay, sabog. Sabog ang Arian. And good city you are. Beautiful. God bless you, dancing queen. Thank you, James Jacobs. Sorry, channel. Hey, sorry, channel. Ali, ano yun na, ano, elastiko? Kay 1 hour man lang yun. Ano yan? Thank you, Papa. Yes, you do love this. Ah, hover. Hover. Mitchell Martin. Hi, Mitchell. Mitchell. Thank you, Kuya G. Oh, thank you for the membership. Salamat. Thank you. Yes, baby. I'm losing my mind. Just a little, just a little. Thank you so much. Call me later. I have a couple of things to do. You have a couple of things to do? Rick? Baby, I want to sleep me down. I'm losing my mind just a little. Thank you, 25 people. 25, 19. Amari, Rosaria. Smash, smash, smash. Hover, 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 hover. Hello, hi Purple, Purple-less. Hi Purple, it's lang Cheryl. You probably don't know what that means. What that means? Huh? Cheryl, how's your father today? Is he improving? Yes, thank you so much, guys, for the prayer, for the support. My brother having an improvement, the health improvement. So thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Kevin McConnell. Good afternoon, Cheryl. I hope your day is blessed day. Yeah, blessed day. Thank you so much. What? That's great to hear, Cheryl. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Always my friend. Thank you, Kevin McConnell. 26 people here, 21 likes. Thank you so much. Kasakit isipin paalam na aking Hello from Dominican Republic. Hi, Urban from Dominican Republic. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, I can you translate in English? I don't understand. Ni hello, no, no divino. Beniti amorous. Damn your back break. Oh, damn your wall break. Yeah, the wall break. My God, Manuel, Manuelito, looks like pa you. Sorry naman, sorry. Loki, Loki living in the province. Don't worry, if I have saved money, I will fix it. So it will be beautiful soon. Just need to make big effort to save money. No worries about that. Thank you so much for joining. Jose, hi Jose. Bawal dito ang basta. Sorry. Filipino ka pa naman. Mary Bella. Pangalan mo Mary, pero bastos ka. Oh my God. Nagtatago ka sa malaberhing pangalan, pero demonyo naman pala. My God. Espanyol love. Hi, Jose. Hi, I'm Suhan. Twenty-four people. 25 likes. Thank you so much. Jose, I Rosario. I don't understand. Chavicino Opo. Chavicino. It is currently 31-degree high today, 51 my hands freezing now. I'm wearing gloves and it's still freezing. How warm is it here now? Oh my God. So cold. My God. People feel cold in the snow. Freezing. You're not dancing like the other girls. They're your age and race. The other girls are dance. Sometimes I dance. Sometimes I hide. Sometimes I run. God. Hot best fatness moon. Hi, Annalise. Thank you for 21 people here. 'Cause sometimes I have, sometimes I am, sometimes I'm scared of you. All I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you then. Did it, did it, did it then. I wanna believe in everything that you say. Inside sky, and all I really need moves close. Thank you so much for the likes. 28 likes na. Oh, look. Hi, Golden. Look ka dyan. Oh, my volley friend. It's Dancing Girl. Uh, wait. In a few minutes I will dance, but now just calm, sit, and relax. Sometimes how's your life, Golden? Busy life. Good. What you do? What I mean? I'm doing live, sitting on the chairs. I'm take to here. I'm talking here. The Rosario. Rosario, English, please. Or Tagalog, please. That's what you did. Yeah. I wanna believe in everything that you say. Understand. Okay, later, people. I've caused enough trouble for now. I shall return. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much for joining, Kuya Dre. Come back later. Movie girl, I think about you just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I am, sometimes I'm scared. See you dreams. See ya. Thank you. All I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you then. I wanna believe in everything that you say. Yes, I say. Sometimes, sometimes I wrong, sometimes I right. How long you been sitting there? Just 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, maybe 20 or something like that. Not 15. Um, 15. Maybe 10 minutes. Cleaning. Maybe 10 minutes. 10. Oh, 15. Okay, 10 or 10 minutes. Cleaning. Cleaning. Just sitting and talk to, just talking. You can keep your story right. Oh my god. I based on the time I'm doing live, but I forgot I'm talking on standing. So I need to less the minutes why I sit here. That's why. Oh my god. It's really difficult to explain. Thank you, 16 people. Thank you so much. Hello. Hello, how are you and the family? Hi, Finks. Thank you for joining, Finks. How are you, Finks? Nagkaang kasali ka po. Kentra ka sa feeding. Thank you for the likes. 30 likes now. Hi, Amy. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you, Amy. Where can I stay and bully you more? Fine, I'm ready. You look golden, you look this. I'm a stronger. Facebook, Instagram. Why? Why, Amy? I'm not. I'm not like that. I'm not going. I don't. I'm not. I'm not. Muscle. You see me, muscle? I have a muscle, golden. I'm strong. I'm strong enough. How far are you from Subic? How far? Far, far from Subic. Yeah. She don't like men. She into women now. No. No. My God. I mean, I'm gain weight. I'm like this. the muscle. Are you France? I'm from France. Amy from France. France or Belgium? No. I'm from Romania. Okay. Hi, Amy from Romania. Thank you for joining. Thank you, George Rivera Villas. Hi, George. Like 31. Thank you, Pretty Gracia, for the likes. Thank you po. It's me, GTB. Hi, Mom. GTB, thank you for the likes po. Thank you, Mom. Hello, Mike. Where's Mike? Maybe Mike's sleeping now. Maybe. He said he's tired. Thank you, Mom. GTB, Pretty Gracia. Thank you po. I'm here. Where's GTB? GTB, Pretty Gracia. She's a Pretty Gracia. GTB. I'm back. Hi, Rick. Oh, okay, hello. Oh, what are you eating? You forgot to share. Puff corn. Eh, puff corn. Ano daw? Thank you for 20 people here. Thank you so much. Wait, what, Cheryl? What? What, Golden? What do you mean? Hello po, ma'am. Good evening po sa'yo, ma'am. Kumusta po, ma'am? Puro ma'am, ha? Thank you for, likes. Okay naman po. Kobo ni Peter. Kobo ni Peter. What do you mean, Golden? What? What? Oh, yummy, you will how cook it when you heat. Here are different flavors. Different flavors. Here strawberry. Strawberry. See this for me, ma'am. Marahay na banggi, never heard in Bicol language. Marahay na banggi, Kuya Dre. Marahay na banggi to everyone. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Never tried a strawberry before. Ano ba yan? Never believe in love. Patayin mo kayo gab, kinap mapinito. Pretty, what did you think of Fred's live earlier? Was entertaining as usual, yeah. Cheryl, Golden. How are you, Golden? What's up, Wild? Jimmy Marl! Oh my god, the wild thing is, my god. Are you still growing? Yeah. Wild thing. Sir Jamie Moore. My god. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Sir Jamie. Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore. How you guys? Oh, my funny friends here. My funny friends here na Jimmy Moore Golden. You're up late again. Headed to work. You never heard what I say. Jimmy Moore, Jimmy Moore. Thank you for the likes, everyone. What time na? Oh, 9:03. 9 people here. Sabihin mo papawi ang lungkot at lambay. Walang iba para sa'kin. Hi, Nellis. Rob. And Nellis. Thank you for the likes po. What to see, what to eat, you are sweet girl and sweet treat. Eat, eat. Dang, it's freezing this morning. Yeah. Oh my God. What, maybe, here, warm weather here. Sunny. In America, Europe, and other countries, oh my God. Freezing. Snow, winter, so cold. Mm. Yeah, it's cold there. Here also, it's only 18 degrees. Wow, 18 degrees. Super, too cold. Sleepy blue bonnet flowers, so cute. Cause baby, why you just hit me in the middle? I'm losing my mind, still getting down, feeling down, baby. Mm, 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 mm. Seeker, your health is called over there is you. Yeah. 13 people. Thank you so much. 36 likes. Thanks a lot, everyone. Yes, baby. Baby, I'm losing my mind just a little. Baby, why just me? I'm losing my mind. Sticker your heart, yeah. Sticker your heart from cold weather, everyone. I'm losing my mind just a little, just a little. Mura ka assignment, Gab?
Wala naman.
I felt sleepy. Bring it with you. Huh? Bring it with you. Bring it with me. What? What? I'm losing. Hi, Bibi Tubuhan. Bibi Tubuhan, hello. Hi, friend. Philip Morgan. Hi, Philip. Thank you, Philip, for joining. Oh my god. What time is it? Time here? Wait lang. Time here, 9:10. Are you tired? Just a little. But it's fine. I'm okay. Philip Morgan. Thank you. Losing my mind, just a little. Ano man ito ko kay para kay kung magano.
Kaya kung mag-ano.
Ang arga. Arga. Ano yung arga?
Yung kulitan.
Ito na. Ito mo na yun. Ayun na yun.
Hindi naman tapos ito ho.
Butang mo didi.
Oh, yun po.
Didi na. Ibutang mo na yun to. Didi yun.
Kasi,
Yad ko ho. Naginaunan mo. Tapos sarado mo na yan.
ito na.
Give me that spatial look. What? Really? Where the Ashley at? Ashley, she's here at home. The warm weather. The warm weather. Yeah, the Ashley, she's at home. Ashley. The warm weather. Yeah. Tiger look. She's not there. Yeah. She's another room. Ashley, she's another room. She's with her mom and her tatay. She's with mom and her father. She's nanay and tatay. The silly Ashley. I thought she lived. No, yeah, she lived here under my, but she's in another room, like there somewhere. Actually, so baby, why you just meet me in the middle? Oh, okay, yeah. Hi, beauty. Pinar's boss. Hi, Pinar's boss. 10 people here. Thank you for 36 likes. I feel sleepy now. Sleepyhead. The sleepyhead. You are incredibility. Incredibly beautiful. Oh my god. Pinar Subas. I fell asleep. Oh my god. I fell headache. Good morning. Hi, class. Let's, let's. Oh my god, I fell headache. A different kind of beauty. Yeah. Nine people. Thank you so much. Like mm, a rare flower in the forest. Really. Thank you, 40 people in the house. 40 likes. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. I need to end the live now because I have a little, oh my god, my headache. Attacks my headache. Oh. Bye guys, and I'm see you next live. I do live later when I feel okay. Thank you so much.